Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. Guys, in today's video I'm bringing you the promise that I've made that one day I will use the pineapple skin to show you how I make juice with that. And here I have the ginger. I'll be using ginger as well. You know, ginger brings out the flavor in pineapple juice. And so guys, you want to choose a pineapple that the outward, you know, the skin is in good condition, right? You don't want to choose a pineapple that is, you know, rotten or anything like that, because this is what you'll be using to make the juice. So anyways, what I'm gonna do here after this, I'm gonna give this pineapple a good wash. So stay tuned guys and do not go nowhere. So guys, as I said, I am going to wash the pineapple, and I'm gonna be using, you know, lukewarm water with some soap to wash the outside of my pineapple. So now that it's a heavy pineapple. Now that my pineapple is washed, I'm just gonna place it on this clean cutting board. Let me just move these things out of the way. As well, my ginger, let me just put it right here in the meantime. And so, let me just rinse my end off. So now guys, I'm gonna cut the end of the pineapple off, right? This part I wouldn't use, so that can go to the side. So I'm gonna cut off the skin of the pineapple, guys, just like that. The pineapple now that I finished peeling, I'm just gonna rest it to the side, guys. You know, because I will not be using the fruit this time. I'll be using the skin to make the juice. So I'm just gonna rest it in a bowl on the side. So guys, imagine you peel your pineapple and throwing away all, look at the pineapple in this skin, all the fruit. Guys, we have to practice wisdom. I do not waste in my house. I don't like to waste food. Anyways, I am now going to transfer, you know, this pineapple skin to this bowl right here, and I'm just gonna leave it right there in a second. And I'm now going to, you know, deal with the ginger. I'm gonna use this amount of ginger. I really love ginger in my juice. You know, my children love that. You know, ginger is very good, you know, when it comes to belly ache, the common cold, all these things. So I'm just gonna remove the edge, these dried up edges of my ginger, and just open, you know, the in between, you know, just like that. Oh, I can smell the strength of the ginger. It's really strong. You know, this is how I, you know, get my ginger ready for my juice. So as you can see now guys, I'm now gonna wash the ginger. What I'm gonna do now is to beat the ginger. Yes, I'm gonna beat them, or crush, or whatever way you want to do it. So with this container that I'm holding, guys, I'm old-fashioned, so don't pay that no mind. I'm very old-fashioned. I love it that way. I love the old ways. So I'm just gonna beat my ginger using, you know, this container. nice pretty looking color. Real organic ginger. It smells so strong. So I'm done, guys. So here I have my crushed ginger, and I'm not just gonna transfer it to this bowl where the the pineapple skin is. Right? Okay. So now you see, this is the way you go about doing the preparation. So follow me, guys, over to the stove. You'll see what I do next. So guys, here on the stove I have a pot with some water. It is hot, as you can see, guys, and so I have here as well my pineapple skin with ginger beaten, and now it's ready to go in the pot. So this water, what I'm trying to do here is to get the water to boil, right? So I'm gonna leave the skin here, my pineapple skin and ginger, to boil for a minute. I'm gonna be timing this to boil for a minute, after which you'll see my next step. So do not go nowhere, guys. I'm gonna cover as well. Guys, look at all the steam that's coming from this pot. So now what I'm going to do is turn off the stove. I am now going to leave this to cool. See, guys? Look at that. And then I'll be making my pineapple skin juice. So guys, so you want to stay tuned for this, okay? I'm not over yet. So look at that. Smells so good. The ginger and the pineapple. Wow, smells really, really good. So see you. Hey guys, it's the following day. Reason being because I couldn't really wait for my pineapple to cool down, and I was to go and cook dinner. So here it is. I had put it in the refrigerator, and what I did, I removed the ginger as well from that, and I blended the ginger. So what you see here is the ginger in this pan, and I'm just gonna put it aside while I work on the pineapple skins. In this case, I will be working with my hand, so I'm definitely gonna have to give my hands a good wash, because I will be using my hands to squeeze the skin of the pineapple to get as much as possible all the juice that I can get from the skin. So as you can see, I'm cleaning underneath my nails and such. Very, very important. It's your choice if you choose to use gloves as a barrier, but nothing is wrong if you thoroughly wash your hands and make sure your nails and stuff is thoroughly clean. Done with the hand washing, now I'm going to take a pineapple skin, as you see me doing, and I'm just going to crush between my palm. And in this case, you're going to have to apply pressure to this. It's like you're kneading, basically kneading the skin of the pineapple, because you want to get that extra juice from the skin, and the remaining fruit that is embedded in the pineapple skin. And this I will continue to do until all the skins are completely crushed. So pay attention, guys, and enjoy. So guys, I want to say that to make this pineapple skin juice, you have to apply so much pressure. As you can see, I'm showing you how the skin should look afterwards, after you finish squeezing out the pineapple skin. This is how it should really look. So guys, at this point I am through with, squeezing the pineapple skin, and at this point I am just gonna separate the skin from the juice. Guys, look at this. I am through with squeezing out the skin, and now what I am going to do is to combine the ginger juice. This is what I blended. I took the ginger from the pot. Remember guys, at the beginning I had started the ginger and the skin together in the boiling. So I took it from that after it's cooled and I blended it. And so what I did right now is just combine them two. I wish y'all could smell the fragrance in my kitchen right now. It's a beautiful ginger and pineapple combination smell. Many times we buy our fruits and we peel them so deep and we don't understand that we're really wasting the fruit and stuff. So in this case, this is what I do when I peel my pineapple, right? Instead of me wasting all the fruit in the pineapple skin, I make juice, and you all bear witness. So what I am going to do right now is I'm going to strain the juice, because we still have some residues from the blended ginger and also a little from the pineapple as well. So guys, now I am going to strain the juice. Guys, look at the color. Look at the color. If you didn't see me make this juice, could you tell this is pineapple skin? You couldn't, because it's so rich. The color is so rich, and the smell as well. And I wish you all could taste. You cannot tell the difference that this is not the skin of the pineapple or it's the fruit itself. So guys, now the straining process is over, and guys, look at this. You are looking at pineapple skin juice. Now guys, it's time to sweeten the juice, and I'm using only ½ cup of organic brown sugar. As I've stated in many of my juicing videos, we try to drink our juice not so sweet. So guys, with all that has been said and done, please feel free to meet me at presentation.
Can we talk closer now? Like let's do now. Where your heart out of my sleep, close to you is girly. The dream of fantasy, to be loving you, baby. You say you love me, I see no now.
Yeah. Girl, it's gonna be the ride or die, baby. Say good vibes only, everywhere I go. Let's kick it, girl, you my kitty dough. Take you places never been before. Don't worry, baby, let's take it slow. Hold my hand and get ready to go. Oh, girl, you're the captain, let me take you out. We be like Tom and Jerry, let's go round and round. Girl, don't be afraid to hold my hand. Yeah, you gon' be like Cassie, meow, meow, meow. Say you made my heart go boom, boom, down. Marco, Polo, we up in the stars.
Good to know, like I'm still now. Your heart out of my sleep, close to you is girly. The dream of fantasy, to be
ride or die, baby. Say good vibes only, everywhere I go.